Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a video for you. I recently signed up for a new subscription box service. So way back in the day, I actually used to be subscribed to Birchbox. Wasn't crazy about it. I was subscribed to the Sephora Playbox. Wasn't crazy about it. And then I did a little bit of research and I found out about BoxyCharm. So I got my first BoxyCharm and hands down I am in love with this subscription service. It's $22 a month and you get over $100 in products. Most of them are full size, if not travel size. No more foil packets, no more deluxe size samples that you would be getting free with your Sephora order anyways. This is what a subscription box should look like. So this is the January BoxyCharm. I know I'm a little bit late getting it up, and the reason why I'm late is because I signed up late. I signed up like the last week of January. Wanted to get my hands on this box because I actually watched a video showing what came in the box, and that enticed me to order. Not to mention, in the BoxyCharm group, they actually give out sneak peeks of what's coming in next month's box. So I went ahead and I signed up for 3 months as well as for the Boxy Luxe. So the Boxy Luxe is every 3 months they put out a bigger and better box. I believe you pay $28 more for it. So altogether your box cost is about $50. But you get like well over $200 in product, and the product looks phenomenal in them. So I will give you guys some insider information on the February sneak peeks at the end of this video, but for now let me go ahead and get in on the January BoxyCharm. So this month the theme is Boxy and Chill. And the products that came in my box are first, and I'm happy I got this because there are different boxes. Not all the boxes are the same across the board, so not everyone got this. But I got the Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisten Leave-In Mask. So a leave-in conditioner, I'm all about that. I got quite a bit of hair. I love using a leave-in conditioner after the shower. It helps me in brushing out my hair. So can't wait to give this a try. This is the travel size, and I believe my card tells me how much this was. So the Brio Geo was originally $16 for the 2 fluid ounce. So $16 for that. Like I said, the box is $22. I did the 3-month subscription, which took my box down to like $19 and some change per month. So right there is more than half the value of my box, but it gets better. It gets even better. The next item, I'm not too keen on this, and you know what? There's going to be products on a month-to-month basis that I'm not going to like and that kind of stuff, so I told myself what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these products aside, and at the end of the year, I'm going to do a giveaway of all the BoxyCharm stuff that just didn't interest me to give to you guys. So this is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. So it looks like that, and let's see what the price on it was. The Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick retailed for $20. I mean, don't get me wrong, yeah, the color is pretty. I just don't feel that I would wear this all the time and that kind of stuff. I'd rather have seen a really nice nude or a lighter pink in the box. But you win some, you lose some. Not a big loss because the other stuff in the box more than made up for this box in value. Like I said, the end of the year, I will keep track of my BoxyCharms and keep them all together to give to you guys. So this will be featured in an end of the year giveaway. Next, I'm really excited about this. I absolutely love Tatcha products. So this was one of the selling points in the box for me, is we got 2 of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. And 2 of these masks retail for $24. So this was more than the value of the box in itself. I could have went to the store and just bought these and spent $24, or I could buy BoxyCharm and get these and everything else with it, which is hands down 100% better value. That's why I am all about this service. I will have my link below if you guys want to sign up. It definitely helps me out as well as it helps you out, because I think we both get an extra little incentive if you use the link below. So another thing I got that I didn't see in everybody's box, I didn't see this actually in anybody's box. This was different in mine. I got the Bang Beauty, and this is the gel eyeliner. And typically if I use a gel liner, I like the MAC Black Track one. This one is in chocolate, which is a brown color. And it said that it can be used on the brows as well as an eyeshadow. So what I actually plan to use it for is to do my brows. I need to start doing my brows. I need to start shaping them out and that kind of stuff. So this is going to be a good product for me to try. The Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner retails for $22. So excellent value. That is a full size. The Tatcha was a full size. The Ofra was a full size. The only travel size item we got is the Brio Geo conditioner. I have one more item in my BoxyCharm to show you guys. And this was like the big ticket item. This was like the best item in the box. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And I happen to get the volume 3. This is a full-on Tarte eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $36. And like I said, I got this whole box for $19 and some change because I did the 3 months, and my box has over $100 value in it. So this is super, super pretty. I love the outside packaging of the Tarte eyeshadow palette. And inside, I was kind of hoping to get the one that had like the glittery package because those colors had like the purples in it. But I did happen to get the one that had all the neutrals in it, so I'll still wear that. You can never go wrong with neutrals. Very, very pretty palette. So that is everything that I got in my January BoxyCharm. I literally cannot wait till I get my February. I really can't wait till I get my March, because when I get my March, I get my big one. I get my Box Deluxe. I definitely think that this is a subscription service that I am going to stay subscribed to. It's going to be my little treat to myself each month. I could definitely justify spending 20 bucks on myself and getting over $100 in product. Like, that just is totally awesome. So what I did find out about the February box, because they have released sneak peeks of products that are going to be in the February box, is that there is going to be the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in it, which I'm really excited for that because I have been using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Everyone raves and says it's a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I just personally cannot justify spending about $20 on a mascara. If I get sample sizes of it, I use it. Other than that, I buy cheap drugstore mascara. I never buy high-end mascara, so that'll be nice for me to try. Then also another product I'm really excited for is that we're going to be getting the Touch and Soul, I forget the technical name for it, but their primer. And they showed like a before and after comparing an orange in it, and it looks like a really good primer. It looks kind of comparable to the Becca Backlight Primer. This one happens to be more of a pinky peach shade versus the Becca, which is purple. I have and use the Becca Backlight Primer. It's actually what I use today, so definitely look forward to using the Touch and Soul when that comes in my February box. I will be sure to film a February BoxyCharm video for you guys, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, feel free to leave them below. Definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.